So good morning to all. I am Dr. Manish Sharma, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Madanapalle Institute of Technology and Science, MITS, Dept University. Today, I would like to present how to make the 3D drawings using the AutoCAD. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to the MITS management and MITS administrations for providing the facility to record this video. Then I would like to thank you my HOD to encourage me to make this video. So first of all, I would like to, because we want to make a drawing in the AutoCAD. So already I installed the AutoCAD student version. So let me open the AutoCAD student version. Yes. So once it is open, so we need to open a blank file. So we can choose the option new option. Let us go to new. Yes, now this is the interface of the AutoCAD 2023 version. So now, as I told you, we need to work in 3D environment. So basically this one is the 2D environment. So let us shift to the 3D environment of the AutoCAD student version. So this is the option, okay, at the bottom. So here we need to click the 3D environment. Once you click the 3D environment, so it is created, it is shifted to the 3D environment. Now, still, if we see our left side axis, as we know in a 3D means X, Y, Z axis should be there, but still X and Y axis are shown to us. So we need to convert the coordinate system, this 2D coordinate system into 3D coordinate system. How to convert it? So go to home. Here, unsaved view. Click it. Then move to the SE isometric. Okay. Now let us. Now we can see the three axes X, Y, Z. Now let us move these coordinate system to the left corner. How to move it? So we need to type use one command U with the keyboard UCS icon. So it will come to us. Click it. Here select the no origin. So we can see here our coordinate system is shifted to the left corner. Now let us make the few basic settings to the AutoCAD student version. So first setting is, let us type the limits. Let us set the limits of this workspace. So let us type the first lower left corner is 0, 0. Then upper right corner we need to type 210, 297. Now next basic setting is units. Type the units. So because all the dimension we will measure in the mm. So that is, we need to set the units. So here precision we will set 0, and we will need to check it. The dimensions are to be measured in the millimeters. So already by default it is millimeters, so no need to make any change. Okay. Then let us type the OSnap command. OSNAP, OSnap. So once you type the OSnap using your keyboard, so first option is coming to the OSnap. So click it. Then select all. Okay. So next one is the dimensions styles, because we want to show the dimensions. So dim style, for that one command is there, dim style. So using the keyboard we need to type dim style. So second option. Once we click it, go to the standard, modify. Yes. So here many options are there. So first we will click on the lines. In the lines color should be white. Okay. Then baseline space. Here we need to make few settings. So baseline space is 2.5. Extension line colors, it should be white. Okay, that's all. Not press the OK. Let us go to the symbol and arrows. So here arrow size, let us type 3. Center mark, it should be 2.5. Okay. Now let us go to the text, because sometimes we need to write the text also. So for that we need to make a settings. So text color white. Then text height should be 3.5 or 4. You can make it whatever you want. Then text alignment, it should be aligned with the dimension line. Click it. then go to the primary units. Here precision we need to make 0, then press OK. Then to come out this dimension style manager, press the set current, so the whatever changes we have made, that will be applicable to this workspace. Then close it. Now at the last we need to type the zoom command. Zoom, ZOOM. So zoom real time a, press enter. Okay, now let us save this file first. We need to make the save this file. So any folder you can choose it. Okay, so let us, I want to save it here. I want to save here with the drawing one. Okay, so press Ctrl S. Now my workspace is ready to make the drawings. So let us go to the drawings. Okay, so first see, this is my first drawings. So let us make this drawing. How to make this drawing? So see this one. So how to make drawings? So what we will do, first we will make this one, these drawings in the 2D. Okay, how to make it? First we will make like if we see our AutoCAD. Okay, so in X direction we will make a 45 mm length. Then in the Y direction we will make it a length, we will draw a line of 30 mm. Okay, so how to make it? Let us go to line command. This is the line command. Click it. Ortho mode should be on because we want to make a horizontal line. And one more setting we can do here. Here our right side you have one option, customizations. You click it, all options should be highlighted or tick mark. So now let us go to escape. Let us make the 45 mm length. So let us go and make the 45 mm length line. You make it. You can make proper zoom in or zoom out using the roller mouse but option. Okay, now after that we need to move 15 mm up, 15 mm up, then 15 mm down. Okay, then again 15 mm up, then 15 mm, like that. Then 15 mm down, 15 mm, then at the last join it. Okay, now what is that? If I click on this particular lines, so single line is getting selected, but I want all the lines should be selected. So what we need to do, we use the command join command and join all the lines. So select all entire geometry and press enter. If we can check it, if we select it, the one click, with the one click all the lines are getting selected. Now escape. Now what I will do, I will use the command this one. I will use this command, press pull. Okay, to make this 2D drawings in the 3D. So use the press pull command. Okay, then select this geometry and drag it backside. Then it will ask how much depth we want to drag it. So we can see it is 30 mm. So go and enter the 30 mm. That's all. Now my 3D drawings is showing in the wireframe model. So 2D wireframe. Okay, so select it. You will have a number of options. Okay, so you select this one, set it with the edges. Select it. So your drawing is converted in the solid. That's all. Now if you want to show the dimensions, you go to annotate dimensions. Okay, then you can select this one, linear. Okay, because our dimensions are linear. You select it, ortho mode should be off, and you can show the dimensions. 30 mm. Again spacebar, 45 mm. Then can select this one. I don't know why it will leave it. Let us try this one, align command. It is not going. We will try later on. Okay. So one drawing is over. Now let us try one more drawings. Drawing 2. Let us make it. How to make this one? So we will make this drawing in the two part. So one in the first part we will make this rectangle, bottom part, bottom plate. Okay. In the second part we will make this box. Okay. How to make it? So let us make first plate with the dimension of 85, 50 mm and thickness is 15 mm. So let us make it. So how to make it? Let us go to the home, make it. This is the rectangle command. Okay, if you click your mouse cursor over there, so it will show to you. It's a rectangle command. Click it. So now 85, 50 mm. So this will be 50 and length will be y-axis will be 85 mm. And thickness of the plate is 15 mm. Go to press pull and make a thickness of 15 mm. That's all. So bottom plate we have created. Now let us make this one. So how to make it? Let us assume this is the one of the box. Let us make a solid box. Then this part we will remove it. So what is the dimension of this box? So first we will make a rectangle of the given dimensions. So what is the dimension? Dimension is, this will be the 50 and this is 85 minus 40, 45. So let us go to rectangle, make it. Okay, this is 50 and this one is the 45. So rectangle we have created. Now use the press pull command, select it, then height. So height will be 30 mm as per the drawings. So give the 30 mm. That's all. Now what we will do, we will remove this part. How to remove this part? Let us find out the dimensions. So what we will do, we will make a rectangle. This rectangle first. How to make this rectangle? So what we will do, we will shift this, we will copy this is here as per the given dimension. So what is the dimensions given? 15 mm. We will see this, we will copy this edge 15 mm this side, then 15 mm this side, and this edge we will copy from here to here. How much distance? So we can calculate it. So total distance is 45 mm. In the 45 mm, if we remove, okay, we can assume it. This one is 15, this is 15, and this will also be the 15 mm. Okay, with that logic, we will copy all the edges. How to copy it? So one option is there. If you drop down arrow is there. If you go to this one, copy edges, you click it. Now you select this one, this edge we want to copy it. Enter, give the directions. So we want to copy this edge here. So you click it and give the direction. How much? 15 mm. It is copied. Then again copy command. Select this edge. Enter, give the directions. How much? 15. It is copied. Then select this one, give the directions. This side we want to copy. Okay, and then press escape. Now we have created, oh sorry, I think we have done wrong. I think, okay, we don't want this one, we want to copy this one, this edge, vertical edge. So 15 mm. select it, select this edge, enter, give the direction, how much, 15, select it, 15, okay, that's all. Now use this command again, select this rectangle, give how much depth we want to remove this part. So total is 45 minus 15 if you remove it, so it will come 30. So 30 mm you remove it. So enter 30. That's all. Okay. If you want to change the color of this drawing, so double click it, go to by layer, and you can change the color also. That's all. Okay. And if dimension you can show with the annotate linear, you can show the dimensions. 85, 50, okay, vertical dimension we are not able to show it, leave it. So now this one we have solved it. Now let us make this drawing first. Drawing number this one 4. How to make these drawings? So same way what we will do, we will make this one first. We will make this drawing first. Okay, then using the press pull command, we will extrude it. So how to make it? So again go to home, line command. So first x-axis will be the 70 mm, ortho mode on, enter 70, then vertical, z-axis 70, then you move this side, okay, next direction 30 mm, then down 20 mm as per the drawings, okay, then horizontal 20 mm, give the directions with the mouse, then down 20 mm, then I think again 20 mm, then you come to here. That's all. Okay, now you can join them, use the join command, you can join them, select it, entire geometry, enter. Now use the press pull. Okay, so now how much we need to extrude it? 50 mm as per the drawings, it is given 50 mm. Select the geometry, how much? 50. That's all. Okay, you can change the color, double click it, any color you want to give, you can give it. That's all. Now let us make this drawing first. How to make it? So same way we will make it in the two part. First part we will make a bottom plate, the second part we will make this one. Okay, so how to make this one? So let us make a bottom plate. The dimension is given 75 by 50, height is 12 mm. So go to line command or rectangle itself, you can use rectangle, then okay, so this one is 50, 50 tab 75. You can bring it somewhat here. After that, height will be 12 mm. Go to press pull command, select it, 12 mm. Bottom plate is created. Now we want to make this slot. How to make this slot? So what we say, we will use the copy edges and we will shift it 25 mm. So this command, copy edges, select it, give the directions 25. Again copy, give direction 25. Okay, then we want to create this depth. of 12 mm. So select this edge, give the directions 12 mm. That's all. Escape. Now what to do? Use the press pull command. Select this box and give the depth. That's all. And then you can delete this one, this line. Or you can use the explode command. Select it. Now you can delete this one. Now let us make the second part. The second part also we will make in the two part. First we will make this box, then this inclined plate. So how to make this box? Again we will create one rectangle here, okay, at the back side. So what is the dimension? We will move 20 mm this side and this is 25. So go to line command or rectangle command, whatever, select it and move it, drag it. So this is 25, tab 20. That's all rectangle we have created. Use the press pull command and the height already given 25. Okay, height is 25. Now let us make this. How to make this one? So this plate will start exactly from this point and it will go like that. So the distance of this point is 20 mm from this side. So first we will locate this point. Okay, so what we will do, we can copy this one. You go to here, it's not, I think not getting selected. Issue is there, I think. Leave it. You can do one thing. From here to here, you mark the point. Okay, you can move how much? 20 mm. Then you can come here. That's all. Straight line you can draw it. Now you can use the line command or polyline command. Okay, select this point, ortho mode off, then come to this point, then again you go here. You need to make a closed loop. Now you have made a closed loop. You join them, use the join command, all these three lines, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Now use the press pull command, select it, how much? 25. That's okay. You can change the color. Now you do one thing, you can use the join command and you can join all the drawings. That's all. Now you can double click it, change the color. That's all. Okay, now let us make this drawing first. Same way, first we will create the bottom plate, okay, with the given dimensions. Then we will create these boxes, as well as we will remove this part. So what we will do, first let us make a plate. So same way we will use the rectangle command. So 56 by 32. So x-axis will be 32 and y-axis will be 56. That's all. Use then height will be 8 mm. Use the press pull command, give the height of 8 mm. That's all. Okay, now first we will remove this part. How to remove this part? So we will copy this edge 20 mm This was this side, then 20 mm this side. So use this command, give directions 20 mm, again copy command 20, give directions and 20 mm. Okay, or you, that's okay I think. Otherwise you do one thing, before the copy the edges you use the ortho mode on. Now you can do it. So exactly you will get 20, 20. Okay, then this side 10, 10. So one rectangle we will have 10. Select it, give directions 10 mm. Okay, now remove this part, select it, remove this box and give the width of thickness of 8 mm. That's all. Now let us make this box. So first we will create this box. The dimension given 8 mm, then this is 16 mm, then thickness is 20 mm. So you can use the rectangle command, select it. Okay, then this is 8 mm, tab, this would be the 16 mm. That's all. Then you create the height. The height is given, how much height is given? Not 20 mm, 20 minus 8, 8 already there, so 12 mm. Same way you can create the box here. Okay, so this would be the 8 mm, 16 mm, the height would be the 12 mm. Done. This one also we have completed. Now let us complete this one. So same way we can create, first we will create this one, second part we will create this drawings. Okay, so let us make this box first. So what we will do, we will make a complete box 70 mm, 70 by 40, the height will be 15 mm. Go to rectangle command. So y-axis will be 70, x-axis will be 40 mm. So 40 by 70, then height will be 15 mm. Go to press full command, 15 mm. That's all. Okay, now we will remove this part. How to remove this part? So what we will do, this from here to here 50 mm. Okay, this is 50, so this is the 20 mm. So what we will do, yes, so we need to find out the dimensions. How to find out the dimension? This will be the 30 mm, this is the 20 mm, this is 20, this is the 30. Okay, so this will be the 10 mm, this will be the 10 plus 20, 30. So let us use the copy command, select this one, enter, give directions 10 mm. Okay, because this is 50, so 50 minus 30, 20, so this is 10, 10. Okay, so now from, let us copy it, give directions, how much? 30 mm. Now this one, so we know this is 40, so this will be the 10, 10. Select it, give directions 10 mm. Okay, select it, enter, give directions 10 mm. That's all. Now remove it, use the press full command, remove it. How much? You can give, you can select up to here. That's all. So first part is over. Let us make the second part. Let us make the second part. So how to make the second part? So you can see here, so this is 15, 15 plus 15. So first we will make 30 mm height. So use the line command, orthomod on, we will make it here. Okay, so you can make 15. In two part we will create it, so it will be easy for us to identify the point, end point. 15 plus 15, that's all. Then we can create this side also. So this one is 40 mm. So you can create, this will be the 40 mm, and here also you can create one line of 30 mm in two part, 15, then again 15. Okay, now we want to make incline line, this one, that we don't know the angle, leave it. So but exactly we can move 10 mm up first. We know the 10 mm, so we will move the 10 mm as per the directions. 10. From here also we will move 10 mm. Then let us do this one. This will this line we want to make it. So this would be 20 mm. Okay, so 10 plus 20. First we will create this line 10 mm. Then again horizontal line 20. Then last one is 10 mm. Okay, now let us draw the incline line first. So this will be the end from this point to this corner. Okay, this point will be 30 mm. From this point you can measure it. The dimension of this point will be, you are not able to measure it, so you can check it from this one. This is 30 mm. Okay, same way from here to here you can make it. That's all that we have created. Now you can trim it. Use the trim command. You can trim these strings. The part is done. Now we need to create the, we need to give the depth. How much? That is 70 minus 50. It would be 20 mm. So use the, before that you can use the join command. Select the entire geometry, join them, all the lines, then select it. The distance, width, or what we say depth will be 20 mm. That's all. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will move this part here, over here on the first part. So use the move command, select the geometry, then you select this one, you keep it. That's all. You can join them, or you do one thing, otherwise you can use this one, union. Okay, select one first part, second part, and join. If you want to change the color, you can join them. You can change the color also, any color. Now let us go to these drawings. So how to make these drawings? So this one also we will create in that three parts. The first part we will create this one, second part we will create this one, the third part we will create these ribs. Okay, so let us make these drawings. So how to make these drawings? If in the first part, if you look, so see there are the two concentric circles. Okay, the radius are given to us. 40 mm radius this circle, then 20 mm radius for this circle. Let us make this circle. Okay, then rectangle also given, this rectangle. So in that way we need to make these drawings. So let us go to the first. So what we'll do first, we'll make this bigger circle with the radius of 40 mm. So go to the circle command. This one is the circle command. So here number of options are there. Select the first one, center and radius, and create a circle of how much? 40 mm radius. After that, make the rectangle. Okay, let us make the rectangle or line, this part. Okay, so let us find out the dimension of this part. How to find out the dimension of this part? From here to here, 130 mm. Okay, and if you look this one, so this will, then this would be the 80. So 130 minus 80, 50 mm. So you go to line command, select this point, okay, quadrant, and you make ortho mode on, make it 50. Then x-axis would be how much? You can find out. X-axis will be equal to the radius diameter of this circle, 80 mm. Then you come to here, quadrant. That's okay. You can trim this part. Use the trim command, and you can trim it. So bottom part we have created. Let us extrude it. So extrude is 20 mm. So use the press pull command. Select it. Okay, and give the 20 mm dimensions. That's all. Now here we need to make one more circle with the radius of 20 mm. How to make it? So go to circle, center radius. This is the center point. Make a radius of circle with the radius of 20 mm. Then use the press pull command. Select it. Give the depth 20 mm. That's all. So part 1 is over. Now let us make the part 2 of these drawings. How to make it? So let us make a first block or rectangle of how much? This would be 80 by 80 square. It would be the square. This one is 80 mm, and this is also the 80 mm. The 80 by 80. Let us make a rectangle. Now the height of this block will be 100 mm. Use the press pull command. Height, you put 100. After that, what we will do, we will make this circle. Okay, this part. We will make it. Okay, how to make it? So from here to here, it is 20 mm. So we will move 20 mm first. So we will shift this edge 20 mm up. Okay, after that, what we will do, we will make a circle of 24, having the 24 mm radius. How to make it? So go to circle command, center radius, but we want circle here. So select the midpoint of this line. If you move your mouse cursor somewhat here, you will get the midpoint of this line somewhat here. Then you make it. If you make it, the circle we are going to create horizontally, but we want vertical circle. How to make the vertical circle? So you go to here, word, okay, you change it. So here, let us make this one right one. Okay, now let us try it, whether we are able to create or not. So if you move it, so you will get the midpoint, then you write. Okay, then you give the radius. How much radius you want? 24 mm. Now exactly we can create the vertical circle with the radius of 24 mm radius. Now you go to line command, Then you draw the vertical lines as per the drawings. That's all. Use the trim command and you can trim it. Cutting edge, select it, enter, trim them. You can remove this line. That's all. Now let us remove this part. Okay, with the depth is 80 mm. Use the press pull command, select it, give the depth of 80 mm. That's all. Now this part is over. Let us make the upper one. This one. How to make this one? The same way what we will do. So we will copy this edge 24 mm as per the drawings. Select it and give the directions 24 mm. That we have done. Now we'll copy this edge in this direction. How much? So total is 80 minus 38 minus 24. So how much it will come? You can calculate with the calculator. So 80 minus 38 minus 24. So 18 mm. So select it. Give the direction of 18 mm. You can move this one. Okay. That's all. Now you can copy this edge downward. How much? So that is given 20 mm. That's all. Now let us remove this part. Okay. Now same way we will remove this part. How to remove it? So what we will do? We will make a box here and we will remove it. Dimension is 40 mm down. So we will copy this one, this edge 40 mm down first. Okay. Then this one, how much it is given, how much it is, we can calculate it. So total is 80 mm. So 80 minus 40, this one is 40, so 40, so this will be 20 and 20. Select it, give directions 20 mm. Select it, give directions of 20 mm. That's all. Use the press pull command. To here you remove the part. That's all. Okay. Now what to do? You can remove these lines. That's all. Now use the move command. Select the drawings. Select this point and you can keep it here. You can move it. Use the union command. This one. Select. Okay. Select this one. This one. Enter it. Okay. Now let us make the third part. So third part, this one. So this one dimension we need to find out 25 mm. The height we need to find out. How to find out the height? So total is 100 mm. This one is 20 mm. 100 minus 20, 80 mm. Then from here to here 48. So you can calculate it. 80 minus 48, 32. The height of this rib will be the 32. So you use the line command. Here you can make it. First you make it 25, then height of 32. Okay, and you join it. Then you join all these lines. That's all. Press pull command. The width will be 10 mm. you select it and give the width of 10 mm. Done. Now use the move command, select the geometry, select the midpoint, and you keep it here, midpoint. That's all. Again, you can join them. Union, use the union command, select it, join. Okay, so in this way we can create these 3D drawings. That's all from today. So thank you.